Okay, so here we have empty. From the last time I used it, this isn't freshly used. I don't suspect that'll make a huge difference, but let's see what happens. Okay, you can see it's popped out a bit, so I trust that it's done something. Oh, hey. All right then. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Let's see how much that works out to be. Maybe a little too small to register here, but let's give the scale a try. See if it'll. Okay, so we're on grams. My. Wow, her head is still a little. Okay, yeah, let's give it a little tappy tap. Yeah, 1.1, 1.2 grams. That's not bad. Wow, that's impressive.
Okay, so I bought this Bellow because it measured around 5 inches, just shy of 5 inches for the lip, and I wanted something like the Breville for my Gevi. So I bought this, and as you can see, the inner lip fits perfectly around the hopper, which is really neat, and it's airtight. And I have some grounds in there to show you that it actually does work. Gets a nice seal going, and you can see the Bellow actually does work when you press it. And this is just a nice little improvised Bellow for your Gevi. Even though it's not bespoke for a Gevi, it works like it is.
But that's sort of how you move forward with it. Now, they do say you should really give them good risk-free use, but especially the first time. This one's made a bit of copy today, but it should still, benefit